everyone, my name is Wade the Wallaby and welcome to another dry ice video. Today we have here is some little pellets of dry ice here. Look at that. A little pellet of dry ice and it's making carbon dioxide. What's happening is the oxygen, or the H2O of course is hydrogen to oxygen and some other chemicals probably because this is chlorine, but I don't know what the actual properties of the water. So it's clearer so you can see it. I never thought I would put this in here. Apparently it was my mom's idea, so. Now, I know you might think that this is stupid, but my mom said you have to record Wade, so I decided to do it anyways. Now, this one is a bit more, I should say, dried up. Now, what's you seeing right now, let me turn off this here. There we go. Alright, so there'll be no more smoke coming out of there. And let me move it here. Ow. Alright, I think I should sit. So, I think this here, what am I saying? So you can look at that. So this is the dry ice right here. So we have this copper pipe, of course, that I used before, and it's frost. I've learned that the humidity is being cold, not the water. Now, how I got that little pellet was using this. I see there's a hole. I'll show you. See the hole? Little hole in there? And, ow! I didn't even touch it. Now, apparently this is not 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Apparently this is negative 100 or something degrees Fahrenheit. I apologize if I messed everything up, but let's make a 5 symbol. This is how we do it. Just squeeze it. This is what I did behind after the scene, so I should have done this earlier. Yeah, in my new haircut, of course. That's still going? Basically, it's generating carbon dioxide, which we all know. You can see there's like a little atmosphere it's creating because that's the bubble. That's so weird. It's not that as violent as I thought it would. Perfect! Now what happens if I put this whole thing in there? Will it come out the other end? Huh, this is a good experiment. Weird. Weird. Whoa. Is it coming up here? It is! It is coming up from here. The gases. I'm gonna sniff it. Don't worry about that. Now what I've done is I have a balloon here. I figured this out because of the pressure. This is really cool. I just need to make sure how to put this thing on. We're just basically just putting a bunch of carbon dioxide in the air. Now, Denise thought that she was going to give me gloves for their dry ice. That was a 100% lie. If you hear Denise Burley, don't trust her. She's a liar. Because, you know, she's a liar. Just need to figure out how to put this thing on. What I'm doing is I'm going to put this balloon over here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm collecting carbon dioxide. Well, I don't know how to collect carbon dioxide, but I'll try to collect carbon dioxide. Because carbon dioxide can be used for creating oxygen. How? Well, I don't have the advanced, or I don't have chemistry lessons, so I have no idea what the hell am I doing. But I'll tell you one thing that I don't know. The one thing I don't know. Okay, this is hard. Just like how the sounds of that. It's kind of boring. Get it? Got it. I think I got it. There we go. So, let's see if this works. So, if I go over that, it should grow. It is! Look! It's growing! Sort of. See? And immediately. But it does work really well if I do this. Ah! It's working. All that's carbon dioxide. That's so cool. Oh, it's going down. Go downstairs. It's hilarious. It's really cool, dude. Perfect. Just put the whole thing in there. Does it grow like really quickly? That worked. What are they doing over there? Ooh, sticks. Liquid water, isn't it? Liquid water. It's not liquid water. Oh, I can pump it. Pump it up. What the hell am I doing? Ugh, this is boring. Well, that's interesting. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it is actually good. Remember, this is negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that, so... Let's put more of these in there. What's cool about it is we'll all evaporate. Got shirts in there. Come on. I had a weird dream. We all do. should just come out. Yeah, there we go. Just came out. Good. Let's make it cold. Can it actually turn into ice? Because it's actually getting really cold. More carbon dioxide. Good old carbon dioxide soup. It's not liquid carbon dioxide. The only way you can do that is the atmosphere has to be 3 bars. Put that in a converter and you might get to PSI or whatever you use. What we live in is, oh, look at that little thing, is, so much carbon dioxide. Oh, that is so bizarre. So good.
How's it going, Wade?
Yes, we're still recording.
Oh, really? Well, you must be doing good.
Oh, I cracked it. I'm cracking the ice.
Oh.
It's getting thinner and thinner.
Ooh, I wonder what crushed ice is.
Very funny.
Yeah.
Oh,
You didn't find your remote? Oh, hold on. Oh, you got it? Okay. Okay. I'll leave the door open if you need anything, because
damn.
we'll be in the sunroom playing with the dry ice.
Super duper cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. We'll have to find that other phone. She lost the phone. Is it on right now?
Yes, I'm still recording.
Okay. I will not bother.
I'm getting it cold. Oh, look.
Oh, I see.
See the big piece?
Oh my gosh, how many? Oh, did that work? The balloon? Did it blow up?
No.
Oh. Yeah, hold on.
Look at that. Oh, now that's going to be awesome.
What do you
Now we're cooking now.
The light?
Look at all that carbon dioxide. Oh, got another piece. I'm actually touching it with my bare hands. Oh my god, look at that. It's boiling because it's so cold that it's like... See, this would be like the same thing as you put liquid nitrogen in water. Or any object. If you put like your phone or something, it bubbles up. Go ahead, look on YouTube. There's so many videos on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. I wonder what happens if I drink it. But it'd be very good because of how cold it is. So, it's just basically it's like the opposite of boiling because it's so cold. What's happening is it's trying to get the temperature as the same temperature as dry ice. So maybe it may even turn into ice because eventually it will get so cold that it will literally turn into... I keep saying literally. Mom told me not to say it anymore. Oh yeah. That is so... So let's try to get this piece off. I think I may just rip it off of there. With... Oh, see, it's getting less bubbly. It's actually getting full.
Okay, are you good?
Oh, this is so cool. What's happening is the temperature around it is becoming so cold that it should become, it's less bubbly because I believe the temperature is getting less, but I'm not too sure. It's becoming less bubbly. I think it's going to be turned into ice. Well, this is...
That's a big piece. Wow.
Here's some little small pieces I'm gonna throw in there.
Oh.
See the whole? It's a face. It's a face. Look, it's a face. See the face?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Of
Is that,
course.
ooh. It's like look.
Yeah,
Oh my
that-
god! It's like a bowling ball.
It does look like a bowling ball. It does. It's exactly like a bowling ball. Is that you? What? Was that you?
No.
Oh my god, that was a weird sound. And then it just stopped. It just... What the heck? What the heck was that? It just stopped. Like... Cool. Did they stick together or something?
No.
Maybe?
Sounds like someone's peeing. What is happening?
Oh.
I think it is becoming ice. I think it is turning into ice because
The water?
yeah, because the bubbling is starting to get less, and that means the temperature is getting equal.
Ooh, have you put your finger in the water yet? Is it a little... Oh, cool. It's like making smoke rings. You see some of it? Some of it's going on the bubbles.
But it tastes really good. I bet the water tastes really
Oh my God,
good.
Can you imagine if it's super cold? Oh, I hear it. It does. It sounds like a mad scientist lab or something.
Oh yeah. It's going to make experiments. Hey, oh, look at that. It's at one place.
Like a babbling brook. It's babbling.
Oh, there's frost on it. See it?
Yeah. Frost on the pumpkin.
And it gets all.
So beautiful. I should get closer so you can cool me off. I'm burning.
Oh my God! It's sticking together. You're right. Good old hot prop.
Yeah, because I almost thought I seen something like sticking it together would make sounds kind of like you
Oh my
if you put a
God.
spoon on it, you know. Did you already put the metal pipe on it and make the noise?
Oh yeah.
That's super cool. This is really loud. Awesome.
It's melting
Wow.
through it.
Oh my god, it sounds like a volcano.
It's melting through it.
I see that. Oh damn. It sounds like a volcano. Oh crap.
Oh look, a baby.
A baby.
It
Get
birthed.
in there.
Got birthed. You like that, Chuckle Nuts?
Ooh, got another chunk.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Look at it. Ooh, yeah.
We're like smashing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here we
It
go.
seems like the smaller it is, the more it bubbles. Is that?
I guess that's how it works.
Is that how you can perceive?
Ooh, it's like frost.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it does look
Ooh,
like
it's
the
very
water.
slidey.
The water's getting.
If it's still bubbling, that means it's still
Yeah.
the same temperature. So.
It's so funny because like.
Oh, look at that.
Super hot, boils and
Super
bubbles like that, but
hot.
then super cold does too.
Mm-hmm.
That makes no sense.
Super hot. Super. That's a video game.
Water's crazy.
I never played it, sadly.
It's not as simple
What
as
the hell? It's like generating frost.
I heard a little squeak.
Mhm.
Yeah, maybe you have to pull the balloon off. What was that snap? Oh, the balloon's filling up a little bit. It
Oh, yeah,
it
'cause
just
the gas
deflated,
is-
Yeah, it just deflated a little.
Yeah, because the gases. Watch.
It was starting to go. Yeah, it went. It kind of started to stick out a little bit. I was like, oh, finally. Dang, you got a lot in there. Cool. This is more fun watching it through a glass, clear glass like that.
Oh yeah, it is.
So much better. Don't get it on the wood. This is her pride and joy table here.
So you want to drink some carbon dioxide? I'm just kidding. Actually, you can't. You can make
I'm
a.
craving
You
carbon
can
dioxide.
make You can make liquid carbon dioxide, but it only appears in 4 atmospheres. No, 3 atmospheres.
Oh.
Which I don't know what that is in psi or pounds per square inch.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh look.
There we go. It sounds so sad. Like it's dying. Ooh. That's crazy. So you push harder, it makes it louder? Why does it do that? Tell me some
Because
physics.
okay, what's happening is this is warm.
Yeah.
The outside temperature is warm, right?
Uh-huh.
Compared to that, it's just so. What's happening is it's getting so cold that.
That was so funny over there. It just has one. It makes funny shapes.
It's making intent because.
Oh my god, they're all foggy now. indents.
See, it makes an imprint. Look how perfect that
They
is.
are perfect. You've made some artwork. It's still burbling.
I think my mix work differently when you cool them down.
Maybe, yeah. They do look a little bit.
Or is it heat? I think it's heat or cold. I forgot. In the physics, I think it's like.
Uh-huh. It's one of those.
Oh shit! What?
Here, clean it. Hurry! Don't get it on the wood. Here, some more.
What?
Here, the water. Don't get that water on the wood. It's gonna make the shellac come off of there.
Charlatanin?
The shellac. Just dab it.
Stalactic.
Dab. There you go.
I'm dabbing now. That's an old meme. I shouldn't have done that.
No, I like it. Here, hand me the cup.
What, this?
Yeah, so you can clean.
But it's gonna be off the camera.
Okay, but I want you to clean here. Clean the. There's water on the placemat. Just clean it off of there. Yeah, there you go.
Oh man, I
Does
hope
it
that
need more water? Does it need more water?
something smells. Oh, you're just. God.
What? Oh. I just thought I'd help out. Ooh.
It's the light. The light needs to be light.
Oh, it's splattering.
Gimme. I need to film it.
It is full. See? Don't mess with it because you're going to make it. Look, you're going to mess up the table. You already did, basically.
Shut up.
Look how sticky it is.
It will be fixed itself. It's just water.
No, it's not.
What?
It's not just water.
It is.
No, it's not. It's got that dry ice in it.
No, it evaporates.
Look how sticky this is. It's from the shellac on the table. Don't do that. Just let it dry on its own. Let it dry by itself. So, okay, so the paper towels, will they dry since it's...
No, that's just, it won't dry because that was water.
Yeah, but doesn't it have the dry ice in it?
Dry ice cannot be a liquid. If it is,
Really? That's funny. Remember when we went to my house and that dry ice was all water? Then in the bag?
that's because it condensed the Earth's atmosphere.
Oh, from like humidity?
Yes.
Alright then. We'll see. Oops.
If you really think it is,
Well,
then
if it's just water, we can reuse these. To clean up messes. Like on the floor and stuff. That's what I do at home. Saving the trees.
I don't think paper towels come from trees.
Where do you think they come from?
Swift paper.
Hey, you want me to show you? It does. They do.
Okay, whatever.
Toilet paper and everything, yeah. That's why they say, to use less toilet paper and paper towels.
I don't think this is never gonna get cold.
What? The water? You mean freeze?
Mm-hmm.
Probably not. It's bubbling too much. It can't. Water can't freeze when there's so much oxygen in there like that. Because case in point. Okay, we had a lake, and it would freeze in the winter. Okay, so in order for listen, in order for it to not freeze, they put a fountain in there so the water would. Are you listening?
Yeah, I am.
So the water would just keep moving all the time for the ducks and everything,
So it won't.
and the geese
Also, it
and the
won't.
herons.
Are you sure about that?
The other thing it does is it keeps the moss away from getting, all that green.
Feel that.
I don't want to. I know it's cold. Put it on my forehead.
Oh, there's a piece in there.
Yeah. I thought you wanted me to get it out of there for you. Because I got the last one out.
It will come out if I do this.
I got some shorts on. It's hot in here. It's like 75. She's got the thing on 75. And I know.
No, don't swear.
I know. I forgot.
I mean, you can. I won't care.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Don't let the bugs in.
There's no bugs. It's too cold. And it's really windy. Feels great.
Yeah, it is.
Awesome.
I'm getting wet.
Who's getting wet?
Me.
From what? From the splashing?
What the-
I was too. It was splashing on me. It's stuck.
Oh my God.
It's stuck to that. That's crazy.
That means, oh my God.
Is it frozen?
Ah! It's shooting water at me!
I know, that's what
It's attacking me!
Yeah,
It's actually getting cold! It's the frost! See the frost?
I do.
Get a hammer. I'm just kidding. This is like a beaker. This is actually a beaker. Oh, hold on. Let me pour the water out. Outside. Ready?
Oh, there. I thought you. Oh, don't get the. Okay. It stayed in there. How the hell did it do that?
Because it's super ice.
Oh my god, it's so hot. That's so much better. Oh, yeah. Go on down. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's definitely too cold for the bugs.
Close the door.
No, I'm hot. Look at me. I'm sweating. I'm burning up.
Listen.
Oh, I hear it.
Well, I guess this
Look,
place
it's
is
crispy.
this place is kind of getting boring. So I'm gonna stop the recording. It's already
Okay.
been 25 minutes.
Okay.
Goodbye.